I just wanted to do a quick video of this grip that I made. You literally cannot find grips for the PSP Go that are less than like $100. They're outrageously expensive. You have to buy them off eBay. They don't even have the cheap grips like they do for the regular PSP, the cheaply made ones. But I was able to modify slightly I was able to modify a phone grip to fit it, and it fits it really well. It even has a kickstand, and I'll explain really quickly how I did that. So basically, I got this phone grip that adjusts, but it just so happens to fit the PSP Go perfectly. So it had these ridges right here that blocked you being able to comfortably hold it and hit the triggers and stuff. So I took my Dremel and I basically, like at a curve, cut those pieces off on both sides, and then I sanded it down really well actually, and I could even put some Sugru or something vinyl over top of that to make that look better. But I think this thing only cost like $8, so I wasn't really worried about it. It was just like something to do super quick, and I like to have grips for all my handhelds. It just makes them easier to hold, honestly. It's just more comfortable. You can play them longer. But it slides down in here perfectly after doing that. Like I said, it's got the kickstand. It gives you plenty of room to hold it, and it's actually it's pretty stable, honestly. But it gives you plenty of room. Take that off. It gives you plenty of room to hit the triggers on your PSP Go. And I like the PSP Go more than I like the regular PSP. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. And like I said, it was only like $8, maybe 12 or something. Just took the Dremel, cut these parts off, sanded them down, and it was good to go. And I mean, yeah, you can buy the shells for them, which I have a clear one, just the top. I took the bottom off because it doesn't fit whenever I use this, but I kept the top clear shell on there, and I don't know, I think it's alright. So this is the grip I was talking about. It's the portable 4.5 to 6.5 inch mobile phone, and it is made by Supia. It's only $8, and yeah, I mean, I guess it's got bad reviews as a phone. Not bad reviews, but it's got like lower, not great reviews as a phone grip. But like I said, it's super cheap and easy to make this into a PSP Go grip. So yeah. And as you can see, it's got these edges here. So honestly, all I did was take it and kind of just shave them off at an angle. Just basically like that. And I made it level with this, so it is level with this. It just needs to kind of go down. It just makes it feel better, honestly. You could do it just straight across and it'll probably be fine, but I cut it across like that, and then I kind of sanded it down at an angle. So I don't know, it just made it a lot more comfortable to me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully one of you guys will be able to easily do this. I could do another one, like a video actually showing how I did it, but it's fairly simple. There's really nothing to it. Like I said, just shave these off, sand it down, it's good. But thanks to y'all for watching. Subscribe and like it if you liked it, and thank you guys. You have a good day.